If your dolphin looks like it's tripping, you might have a pufferfish problem. Dolphins are smart, social, and thrill seekers. Yep, you heard that right. These playful sea geniuses have found a way to get a buzz using pufferfish. They handle these spiky little critters carefully, just enough to release toxins. But don't worry, not enough to harm either party. Instead of a harmful dose, the toxins have a narcotic effect. Picture this, a pod of dolphins passing around a pufferfish like it's the latest craze. They start to act all mellow and mesmerized, floating around in a trance. It's like a scene from a marine version of Woodstock, so next time you see dolphins acting a bit spaced out, you might just be witnessing nature's own little party.